All right, we have some news coming in from Tamil Nadu. Madras High Court has stopped Subbulakshmi Award to T.M. Krishna. The High Court says don't use music legend's name in the award. Legend Skin says Krishna has abused Subbulakshmi. Krishna denied the charges by the legend's family. The Madras High Court now has restrained the Music Academy from presenting the Sangeeta Kalanidhi M.S. Subbulakshmi Award to renowned singer T.M. Krishna. Justice, however, the justice in court, Jayachandran, has said that the award can be granted to T.M. Krishna to recognize his achievements, but without using the name of M.S. Subbulakshmi. The order was given in a plea filed by V. Srinivasan, the grandson of legendary singer M.S. Subbulakshmi, opposing the Music Academy's decision of conferring the award in the name of M.S. Subbulakshmi to T.M. Krishna. As much as this controversy has been brewing, the matter has now finally gone to the court in Tamil Nadu. Let me bring in Shilpa Nair, our correspondent, to break it down. Shilpa, please take us through this controversy and what the court has now finally declared.
Well, yes, Nabil. In fact, what the Madras High Court has said is that the Music Academy can give an award to T.M. Krishna, renowned singer, Carnatic musician, but not in the name of M.S. Subbulakshmi. Remember, T.M. Krishna was awarded the Sangeeta Kalanidhi M.S. Subbulakshmi Award 2024, and this had raked up a huge controversy in Tamil Nadu, with several musicians opposing this particular move. And in fact, the grandson of M.S. Subbulakshmi, the legendary singer, had moved the Madras High Court, opposing the Music Academy and the Hindu group's decision to give this award to T.M. Krishna. Now, Srinivasan had raised two main points. One is the fact that M.S. Subbulakshmi, in her will, had stated that, in fact, there should be no memorial or statue or foundation or donations of any kind using her name. And apart from that, Srinivasan also pointed out that T.M. Krishna is someone, he says, allegedly insulted, made vile remarks against M.S. Subbulakshmi. So how can someone like that be awarded or given an award in the name of M.S. Subbulakshmi? Was the point that he put forward in his petition. And the Madras High Court heard this matter. T.M. Krishna, of course, refuted all these allegations, and in his counter affidavit, he pointed out that time and again he's only expressed his admiration for M.S. Subbulakshmi, and some of his remarks were taken out of context, and whatever allegations that have been leveled against him is completely false and baseless, is what T.M. Krishna said. So today the Madras High Court, in fact Justice G. Jayachandran of the Madras High Court, has said that has restrained the Music Academy from giving this Sangeeta Kalanidhi M.S. Subbulakshmi Award to T.M. Krishna. He, of course, went on to say that he can be awarded for his achievements, but not in the name of M.S. Subbulakshmi, and also said that, considering that M.S. Subbulakshmi had clearly mentioned in her will that she did not wish to have any foundation or memorial, etc. in her name, constituting such an award is also not right, is what the judge had noted in his order.
You know, this has been a long-standing controversy, with now the Madras High Court stepping in. What's the kind of backlash is expected here, Shilpa?
We are, of course, expecting a statement from the Music Academy and also T.M. Krishna. In fact, when he was made the chair of the season this time around, we saw a lot of Carnatic musicians, raising objection to it. Some of them even going publicly and making statements against T.M. Krishna. So it has been a controversy that has been raging on as far as the Music Academy is concerned for quite some time now, and the matter reached the court with M.S. Subbulakshmi's grandson filing a petition. V. Srinivasan, he of course pointed out that one, M.S. Subbulakshmi in her will did not want any memorial, trust, award, etc. in her name. Second, he says T.M. Krishna is someone who's time and again made very vile attacks, has continually, criticized M.S. Subbulakshmi in several instances, is something that Srinivasan alleged. But the court, of course, hearing this matter extensively, the court has restrained the Music Academy from giving this particular award to T.M. Krishna in the name of M.S. Subbulakshmi. The court says yes, his contributions can be recognized, but not by using the name of M.S. Subbulakshmi. So that is something that the court has ordered. We'll have to wait and see as to how the music fraternity in Tamil Nadu reacts to this particular order from the court, Nabila.
That's interesting. Thanks very much. Shilpa, for joining us. Well, we see T.N. Krishna has been accused of, in the past, hurling abuses at MS Subbalakshmi. So the court deems fit not to be awarding him in the name of Subbalakshmi. Well, that's due to get a response from Krishna and his supporters, maybe. We're going to wait and watch.